Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get a Trust Wallet USD BEP20 address. First, open Trust Wallet and unlock it securely. Next, use the search field to find USD and confirm it is the BEP20 version. Then tap Receive and copy the address or scan the QR code. Always double-check the address prefix for 0x and consider sending a small test amount before larger transfers. Start by confirming the network label says BEP20 on the token page in Trust Wallet. Verify the address starts with 0x, so you know it is Ethereum-compatible BEP20. Don't mix networks like BEP2 or ERC20 with BEP20, because sending on the wrong chain often causes irreversible loss. If unsure, send a small test transfer first, then proceed with the full amount after confirming receipt. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future crypto basics. Quick recommendation. A book that reshaped my money thinking is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs funny but practical lessons with calm investing advice, a nice complement to managing crypto. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Protect your wallet by storing the 12-word recovery phrase offline in a secure place that only you can access. Always test a small deposit to the copied USD BEP20 address before sending larger sums. Enable device security like Face ID or a strong passcode to reduce risk of unauthorized access. If you suspect any compromise, move funds to a new wallet with a fresh recovery phrase immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.